Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add noise in DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, simply toggle on effects, and right here you need to go to Resolve Effects. In the search bar, type noise, and you should be able to see fast noise. You just need to drag this and drop it on your video where you would like to add noise. Once you do that, now you can simply hide effects, go to inspector, and make sure that you have selected your video clip where you have applied the noise. And right here you'll able to see the effect you have applied on your video, but make sure that you should have selected effects first. And right here we have the option to manage the noise. Like you can see, we have the first option, scale. You just need to drag this all the way to 0. You can just scroll and just set the composite type to overlay to be able to see the video. You can see we have added the noise on the video. You can also adjust more option to make the noise the way you want. But this is the process to add noise in DaVinci Resolve. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.